Hello and welcome to Hammy Value Tech Review. In today's video, something different. This is the Fusion Sprint. This focuses NX84 charger. The Tamiya connection just broke off it on me, so I'm going to have to solder. I've got my soldering iron ready. I'm going to solder a new connection on, new Tamiya connection on. So without further ado, I'll get going on this. Of course, I'm not prepared at all. It's just bear with me, and I'll grab a couple of tools here. My wire strippers, my pliers should do the job. Wire strippers and pliers. So, oh, sorry. I need my soldering iron, or sorry, my solder. So these are battery tabs. This is another wee project I'm going to do as well. I'll probably make another video for it. This is a battery pack I've made for my radio control car. I made it years ago, and I've kept it very simple and left the cells sort of exposed for the heat, you know, for them to cool down. So it was for my radio control car. Has a Tamiya, you know, a female end, or a male end, and that goes into the female end, so up for the charger. And my charger, my NX84 Sprint, will charge them. So what I'm planning to do with these Tronic cells, these are the new low self-discharge cells, I'm going to make a new battery pack, and so that'll be fun, soldering on the tabs. But for now, we've had a wee problem with this Sprint NX4 charger, so I'm going to just solder it on. Got my solder here, yeah. Alright, I've got my solder thing. So I'll just try and go with that. So first things first, we just want to cut the ends of this. So that's that done. And then I want to strip the wires. Just like that. Just like that. There's actually a bit of thread in that for some reason. Yes, for strength. So, oh, sorry. So that will probably melt away. So I need to tin these cables. So probably is an easier way of doing this, but this is the way I'm doing it. I'll get some heat shrink. I guess that size will do the job. Yeah, no, maybe not. Bigger size than that will do the job. Right, so I'll have to go with bigger size. I normally just cut this. I normally cut the shrink wrap too, because it's normally too thick, too long. So that's the shrink wrap. heat shrink, sorry. So let's take our iron and let's, I don't know if you can see this all right. Let's just tin these cables here. Tin these cables. Who's messed up my? Okay. Suppose I should put on the heat shrink. 1 minute. My iron just basically I need a new tip in this iron. So that one's tinned. That one's also tinned. So we'll tin these two. Tin this. Tin these two. It's much thicker gauge wire I'm using. There was a couple of ways you could do this, but I suppose I've chosen the most awkward way. You could have twisted these wires on. And just heat shrink them. I might just do that. Then apply the solder. No. It's not the way to do it. So I think that's fine. It's not great, but it'll hopefully do the job when I come to soldering them. So I get these wires again on the helping hand. The wire with the white I hope you can still see this. The wire with the white stripe on it is the wire with the white stripe is the positive, and the other wire is the negative. Yeah, oh, and they're both very hot. This is where if you had a third hand would be nice. Had a third hand would be very nice.